Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be going through 3 super quick and super easy marble methods. This is a way that you can achieve a marble design using gel polish. You're bound to find something in here that works for you. So for the first method, we're going to go in with a blooming gel. So my base is actually just a white. Then I'm going in with the mascara blooming gel. I'm going in with one nice layer of this. I'm not going to set it in the lamp. I'm going to go straight in with my marbling colors. So these are the colors that I'm using. Please check the description bar down below for a full list of all the colors. And I'm just gonna lay them down on my tile. I went in with like a variety of the purple and pinks kind of vibe, and then I added in the white because it is our base color. It really works so much better. And then I'm just gonna crisscross them using a dotting tool, and then the key here is to actually maneuver it and pick it up using the brush, and then you're going to lay it on top of the blooming gel. You don't need to lay them too close to each other, just whatever kind of pattern you want, and then the blooming gel does the work for you. You just leave it, let it sit, and then once you're happy, cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and yeah, there you go. This is what it would look like. That is method number 1 all done. For method number 2, this is just using a gel top coat. It kind of gives you a blooming kind of effect as well. So I actually went in with a nice tealy kind of base coat, and then I'm going in with my top coat. I'm going in with a good nice layer of that. Also not curing this in the lamp. I'm going to go straight in with my colors. This time around, I'm actually just going to dot them straight onto the nail. And yeah, the placement doesn't really matter because as you can see, we're going in with a brush to kind of maneuver it all around. So because we applied a generous coat of the top coat, it just helps everything to flow a little bit better and give it that marble-esque effect. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm going to pop it in the lamp, cure it for 60 seconds. And yeah, for method number 3, this is with a straw. Yes, a straw. I'm starting off with a peachy kind of base. Then I'm just going to grab a variety of colors. Yeah, I'm just using 3, and you're basically going to dot them on the edge, going in with quite a bit of color. Don't worry, it won't fall off. You need the straw for this part. And you're actually just going to blow through it, and you're going to maneuver the gel across the nail, let the color flow wherever it needs to go. This I think is a little bit more effortless. It's not really messy, so it actually came out really well. So yeah, that's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. 3 super ways to do marble. If you want to see more methods, please do check out my marbling video in the cards or in the description bar down below. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and